of Gage Grosskreutz pointed towards the defendant. These are all things that the preliminary report that this witness offered talked about, but now we have ruled, or we've agreed, and the court has ordered that he's not going to be talking about those things. So the scope of this document, 142, is well beyond the court's order. What he's being asked right now, and when I objected, is beyond the court's order. What he is characterizing in this Exhibit 142 in terms of his interpretation of what various people in the case were doing or what their intent was or anything like that is beyond the scope of the court's order. So my understanding from the court's order was he'd be able to say gunshot 1, 2, 3, and 4 to Rosenbaum happened in this amount of time. And then the second set of gunshots happened in this amount of time. And that's it, as far as the timing. The court's order was very specific as to that. So when we're talking about friendly, or throwing the bag or things like that, that's outside of that time frame.
I'm using demonstrative evidence to show how he reached these times. And it's all evidence that's already been testified to and admitted. Some of the evidence has been enhanced, just like the state enhanced the bag, some of the other photos. He's a licensed, trained video specialist. He has the background, and we're showing the jury what he used to get these values. And that shows how he did it and the reliability of doing it. And I'm not worried about what Mr. Binger's talking about, the comments or anything like that. That's a way that he found the times. Your Honor, just time in relationship to video in this case is so important. Yesterday afternoon, Mr. Binger spent much time cross-examining my client regarding those approximately 30 frames from the BG on the scene. And that was approximately 1/10 of a second.